Guys, this is one of the craziest videos I've ever made. 2 days ago, the news broke that Nike has filed a lawsuit against the YouTuber Eben Fox, or better known as Cedaz, and they're going after him for promoting and selling fake sneakers. Not only just that, because this story goes a lot deeper and gets a lot crazier. Nike is also going after them for, and I quote, organized counterfeit trafficking communities. So strap in, guys, because this has some major implications to the sneaker game moving forward. So Nike is definitely not new to lawsuits, especially when it comes to protecting their intellectual property. We've seen them go after some of the big guys like Skechers, Lululemon, Bape, and even StockX. But they also have an extensive history of going after some of the smaller fish, like sneaker customizers, brands like Cool Kai, the list goes on. But this lawsuit against a YouTuber is definitely something different. You'll realize as we get into this, it's not just against Cedaz, the YouTuber, but it's kind of against the entire replica sneaker community. So Eben Fox runs the YouTube channel Cedaz, which if you didn't know is basically a YouTube channel all centered around replica sneakers. Videos like how to buy items off of PandaBuy and I returned fake Nike shoes to Nike are the most popular videos on his channel. And also videos that Nike literally mentions in the lawsuit. Now PandaBuy is also a very important part of this whole story and lawsuit. It's basically an e-commerce platform that connects consumers all around the world directly to Chinese suppliers. And it seems to be the main place that people get fake sneakers from. And I'm sure Nike is well aware of PandaBuy and how people use it, but I think directly going after PandaBuy, considering it is located in China, is significantly more complicated. So going after people like Cedaz, who are connected to PandaBuy, seems a lot easier. And kind of the beginning of Nike really aiming to cut off PandaBuy from the US. Now the lawsuit itself names both Eben Fox, or Cedaz, and his business partner Nick Tunenberg. Now Nick is also going to be a very important part in this lawsuit because in fact he also has his own separate lawsuit, which we'll get into in a minute. Now, the lawsuit actually calls Cedaz the ringleader of a counterfeit trafficking community based on Discord that provides advice and step-by-step instructions on how to purchase reps or replica sneakers. And according to the lawsuit, they're not only promoting, but they're actually partnering directly with counterfeiters like PandaBuy. Nick and Cedaz started a website called W2C.net in collaboration with PandaBuy, which has hundreds of replica items offered by PandaBuy. So Nike's lawyers have probably been on this case for a very long time, just piecing it all together. However, even if Nike's legal team has been piecing this all together for years, it doesn't seem like it's been that hard for them to piece together. They literally just have to go to the Cedaz YouTube channel and it has a bunch of evidence there. All over it, their websites are plugged in the description on either the YouTube channel or other social media accounts. The lawsuit literally says that he basically flaunts counterfeit goods and counterfeit products on his YouTube channel. And the craziest thing is they literally they screenshot his YouTube channel and added it to the lawsuit. Like imagine you're Nike and you come across the video where he literally buys a fake pair of Air Force Ones from PandaBuy, uses the box from a real pair of Nike Air Forces, puts the fake pair in there, and then takes this pair of shoes to a Nike store that's located in Tampa, where he wears like a pair of sunglasses that have like a hidden camera in them. And he manages to return this fake pair of Nike Air Force Ones to this Nike store for a full refund of $118. Then as he's walking out of the store, he says that if he wanted to, he could do this same process with 10 pairs of shoes and make $900. I mean, recording yourself doing an illegal activity, editing the entire thing, and then posting it is pretty wild. Now, Nike is claiming that this video specifically of him returning this fake pair of Nikes to the Nike store has inspired other content creators to copy him, which it has. There's other content creators on YouTube that did this exact same video concept and actually credited Cedaz in their video. Now, alongside the YouTube channel and the website, Nike's legal team did a very deep dive into their Discord server. This is where it gets pretty insane because this is what Nike is calling the organized counterfeit trafficking community. So the lawsuit has literal screenshots from the Discord, their BST or buy, sell, and trade channel, but they highlight the fact that there is a 7.5% 5% transaction fee included in there, which likely means that every single sale that happens in this Discord server, specifically the buy, sell, trade one, Nick and Cedaz or whoever else is running this Discord server is going to be directly profiting from it. So allegedly, and according to the lawsuit, they would be getting a kickback from the sales of fake Nike product that they're facilitating with the Discord server. Now, along with this, they would also hold multiple different giveaways for fake sneakers on this Discord server. The lawsuit referenced a Nike Louis Vuitton Air Force One giveaway to promote his YouTube channel. And I mean, it really goes on. It seems like Nike does want to really focus on this Discord server, I imagine, because they got so much information of what's like, there's tons of different channels, there's tons of things going on, and there is a ton of members. There's even fake sneaker sellers doing their own giveaways there. They've got full-blown PandaBuy guides with Cedaz offering promo codes that gets people 5% off of their purchases from PandaBuy. Lawsuit also dives into their Reddit utilization. So Cedaz and Nick, amongst others, created a Reddit community called r/reps, again, all devoted to counterfeit goods. Another very interesting part in all of this, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, is the separate lawsuit specifically for Nick Tunenberg. This lawsuit comes with similar allegations. However, Nick owns a brand called Divide the Youth. Now, Divide the Youth has a bunch of different clothing and accessory items on there, but if you scroll down, okay, there they are. It's a pair of knockoff Nike Dunk Lows. And yes, this is what opened up another area in which Nike can get more ammo for their lawsuit. Because now he's not only facilitating or promoting fake Nike products, but Nick and his brand are now producing fake Nike products. The lawsuit is pretty long. I think it's over 76 pages just for the Cedaz one, and then the Nick one is like 60 something pages. If you're interested in reading the entire thing, I will leave a link down in the description to Sneaker Legal's website. Sneaker Legal is ran by Zach Kurtz. He's the first person that reported on this, and he also made a post to Instagram. By the way, if you haven't checked out his Instagram, there's some phenomenal stuff on there. I'll leave a link to Zach's Instagram as well down in the description. Either way, so at the end of all of this, what is Nike seeking from this lawsuit that they filed? And this, guys, is where things get absolutely crazy. Nike is asking that Cedaz and Nick and any others that are working with them are no longer allowed to promote the sale of replica Nike products. This, I imagine, would likely mean that he won't be able to post to his YouTube channel, or at least he won't be able to post the same type of content. They also want them to stop assisting others in the sale of fake Nike products. I imagine that means all of the website, the Discords, and the Reddits, they've all got to go as well. Nike is also looking for punitive damages, and they're seeking exactly 3 times the amount of money that Nick and Cedaz have earned. And I'm wondering if that includes the YouTube channels, or if it's just the websites, affiliate links, and the Discord servers, and the sales from the clothing brands. If they came after his AdSense and were able to pull like a history of that could be pretty insane. On top of that, Nike is requesting that both parties deliver to Nike for destruction any and all counterfeit Nike branded goods and infringing products. This is wild. It's something that has kind of been a bigger and bigger topic in the sneaker community, kind of talking about how there's been a significant uptick in the proliferation of fake replica sneakers. There's been more and more other content creators making videos just like Cedaz has, so not just on YouTube, but also on like Instagram and TikTok. There's videos all over the place of people doing PandaBuy hauls, and it's just kind of a slippery slope to when you get into that area where you're then just kind of promoting these fake products. And that leaves the door open for Nike to take action. Now, I do think that they're probably trying to make an example out of Cedaz and Nick. Obviously, we haven't heard anything yet from Cedaz or his legal team, so we're not entirely sure where this is going to go. But of course, if you guys are interested, I will make an updated video. But with all that being said, there's a bigger conversation here, and I would love to hear what you guys think of this story down in the comment section. Not only this story, but let me know what you think about fake sneakers down in the comment section, and kind of fake sneaker content creation as well. But yeah, this was so insane, I thought I had to talk about it. It was super interesting as well looking into it. In any case, if you want to check out another video, well, all you gotta do is click over there.